Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. We are making stir-fried noodle dish again. Well, you can use the angel hair noodle or pasta noodle that you have some leftover, spaghetti for the chili, any kind thick, then it's okay. And just use whatever vegetable you can find in your fridge. And when I stir-fry Asian noodle, I like to use Chinese green. There's a you cai. I bought a bunch, so I gotta use it. And I kind of like give them a quick chop, rinse it first. And the bottom part is the heart. It's a little tougher, so you want to split the bigger pieces. You split. You see how crispy? It's so juicy inside. I tell you, those are the beautiful vitamin juicy, the real stuff. You can get all the nutrition stuff from the food. You know, look at that. How gorgeous! Just look at the green. Just make you smile. And we have some leftover chicken. We're going to use a little chicken. We're going to do chicken stir-fried noodle. Frying pan, heat some vegetable cooking oil. And we're just going to add some chicken that we have left over from yesterday. Like this. Every time you use some utensil, touch the meat, make sure you gotta bring it back to your sink dishwasher to clean up. Now we got this beautiful protein chicken in the hot oil. Let the bottom part brown a little bit. You see, white, that's good. So we just give them a quick stir like that. You don't have to be concerned and worried, stir too much. When the raw meat touch the frying pan, sometimes easy to stick if they're not really seared brown. So now, I think it's pretty good. About a minute, now you can stir. Now semi-cooked. Make sure your frying pan and use the high smoking point cooking oil, because we want to have the oil consistency hot. Alright, now it's the time to add some ginger and garlic mint. If you want to know how to make this ginger and garlic mint, you can go to my channel. I have lots of recipes on my channel. You just search, look through it from Fortune Cooking. See? That's good. Beautiful. So now this chicken is nicely done. Got really nice flavor of ginger and garlic. You can never wash it off, the chicken with ginger and garlic now. Too late. Okay, now we're just gonna add the noodle in. One, two, three. Break it apart. This noodle is already cooked. My wife cooked this for spaghetti noodle yesterday, meatball spaghetti noodle. And sometimes we make chicken piccata. Really good. Look at that, beautiful. And then we're just gonna add in all the vegetable in. Oh yeah, a lot of vegetables. And then we're gonna give them a gentle stir. Like this. Okay. While the temperature is still hot in the frying pan, we're gonna add some wine. This is sake. Might as well cook, right? We're gonna do some oyster sauce. Soy sauce. Oh yeah. Look at the sizzle, huh? Black pepper. sesame oil. Like that. Gorgeous. I'm gonna take a little short video and I'm gonna put it in my Instagram. I hope you don't mind. Like that. You see? We call this one-man video. Okay, that's good. So you got plenty of time. Don't worry, you got plenty of time. Stir. Oh, so delicious. Oh my goodness. More vegetable than protein. Okay. Not difficult, right? Make it nice and pretty. Take one piece. Hiya. Come on. Yep. Slurp the noodle in. Why? Because it will give you more flavor. Trust me. It's not rule. Guess what? The noodle dish is done. I'm gonna turn the fire off. I found a new trick. You guys might want to try this at home. Shake a little bit. Fire's off. So the bottom of your pan will not get burned. And you can just serve from here and keep your food hot and warm for a while. There we go. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye. Stay healthy. Yummy.